So hi guys, welcome back to this channel, and for this video I will be sharing to you the joy of unboxing of receiving gifts. So I have here now a gift that I received from Georgia through the initiative of Georgian Post, wherein their main objective is to connect people in spite of the pandemic, in spite of the lockdowns, in spite of the border closed, travel restrictions. So Georgian Post did this initiative to connect people, to continue sharing the Georgian hospitality around the world. So we'll just have to do this unboxing now. Didi Madloba, and I'm so excited of this gift. Georgia, it's the country in Caucasus, and I'd been there actually last year and stayed there for quite a long time, few months. So I was there during Tbilisoba, during Pretty Valley, and I think it was spring when I arrived there, summer, and no, it was spring and summer and autumn. So I really had a great time there, enjoying Tbilisi, enjoying the countryside, and as well as the hospitality of Georgian people, as well as with the great other tourists that I have met along the road. So for solo travel, female traveling, Georgia is not a bad choice. You will learn a lot, and you will learn to enjoy embracing the culture of the other country, of the one country you are visiting. What's inside, guys? Wow. It's a postcard of, I'll try to guess. It's Pirosmani. Correct me, Georgians. It's Pirosmani, right? It brings back memories actually, guys. When you are traveling to Georgia, you commonly see this one on postcards, on paintings, on posters. So it's Nico Pirosmani. Let me know. And the traditional Georgian wines wherein Georgia is famous for. Thank you, Georgian Post. I have too much. Oh wow, you're so generous. Why I didn't even open it properly? A lot of postcards. Well, you know, I love postcards. Okay. So guys, I have a lot of postcards. So I have to really share it to you guys. Another one. They are the same. They are the same. Wow. Opera. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. I have received a lot, and I have to forward it to any followers, to anyone who is subscribed to this channel, and to anyone who is watching this video. Please comment below, or I will write a link on the description below where I can able to contact you through my Facebook page. Thank you, Georgian Post. Thank you, Georgia, I'm sharing the joy. I'm paying it forward. Oh my God. Nairi, find. Okay, just to be thank you for small businesses. We have to support them. This is shoelace of grapes, and there are like different colors, maybe symbolizing the different varieties of Georgian grapes. So I have mentioned Ricaccitelli, Alexandroli. What else? This is surprisingly another one. I have checked the website. I have visited their shop in Galleria Mall. And now here it is. Oh my God. Wow. Wow. So I will tell you about Blue Tabla. They had been preserving Georgian culture through these products. These are traditional Georgian designs, and mostly there's a lot of color, but it's more on blue, and these are like more on tablecloth, wherein you can see them during supra, wherein it's like the Georgian dinner, either with big occasion, special occasion, or just normal day, wherein Georgians are enjoying their food, enjoying to share a meal, and the never-ending wishes or toast of or never-ending wishes of the tamada, or known as the toastmaster. So here it is, guys. Wow, it's just so nice. It's just so nice. So it's like they have shared it to continuously share the Georgian hospitality. 400-year story of Georgian hospitality. So they have website bluetabla.com. So please guys, please visit it, and if you can just purchase as a souvenir from Georgia, or if you've been to Georgia and you have just want to bring home that connection with Georgia, for the hospitality of Georgian people, then you can purchase it online as well. So cool. Didi Madloba Didi. I don't know how to say it, but I really appreciate it. I can really feel Georgian hospitality from Georgia to Abu Dhabi. So this is, guys, from Blue Tabla. Okay. So I'm just overwhelmingly happy right now, and I have another one.